Hello investors, apologies for missing last week's update. I was traveling, but I'm back and today we are diving into a pretty exciting session update for the UAE stock market. Today, as a start of a new week, both DFMGI and FADGI are showing some surprising movements. After a rough stretch last week, both markets took a strong turn today, each rising by over 1%. Let's break it all down. Now, this is the beauty of stock market, its unpredictable nature. One moment we are watching lows and the next there is a breakout. Remember, patience is a key. Not every session will make you wealthy, but with consistency and strategy, financial peace is possible. Let's start with DFMGI Dubai Financial Market Index. It opened at 4,479 with a slight dip to a low of 4,475, but it rallied up to a high of 4,545, eventually closing at 4,536, marking a 1.29% increase from the previous day closing. In today's 5-minute chart, you will notice a strong opening with a big green candle. Shooting past the critical 4,500 level, it stayed fairly stable above 4,512 for most of the day, with the final 2 hours bringing another push to close near 4,537. This is a significant movement, opening doors for new targets. My positional targets, I'm watching 4,567 as the next stop and 4,593 beyond that. On the support side, the key levels to monitor are 4,512 as immediate support, then 4,491. Now, which sectors are fueling this green session? Real estate led by 3.47% gain, followed by consumer discretionary at 1.75% and the Sharia index at 1.63%. Industrials, utilities, financials, and more also added momentum. Only consumer staples closed in red, slightly down by 0.44%. Over to FADGI, the Abu Dhabi Index, after touching a low of 9,190 last week, it found stability, opening today at 9,203 and holding that as a session low. We saw a strong green candle right from the open, climbing to a high of 9,315 and closing up 1.13% at 9,307. In the 5-minute chart, we see FADGI crossing key levels of 9,237 and 9,256 right at the start, settling above 9,283 and then breaching 9,300 for a strong close at 9,307. Now, I will be watching tomorrow's performance closely. If we see 9,320 breached, it could be a solid indicator for new target levels. For now, 9,320 stands as a resistance with support at 9,300, 9,283, and 9,256. In today's Abu Dhabi session, no sector closed in negative. Technology took the lead, up by a massive 8.08%, with real estate up at 5.27%. Telecommunication, industrials, and other sectors all contributed positively, while utilities remained flat. That's all for today's session update. Stay tuned for tomorrow. And remember, the Lulu IPO is now open until November 5th. Good news is it oversubscribed within few hours of opening of subscription. So if you are planning to apply, then the time is now. Thanks for watching. Happy investing. See you tomorrow.